Ever wonder how to stay on top of all your client calls without missing a detail? Today, I'm going to show you how to track and record client calls in GoHighLevel so you can provide top-notch service every time. Let's jump right in. First, head to the Conversations tab. Here you'll find all your client communications, including calls. You can filter by call type, date, or client, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Next, you want to make sure your calls are recorded. To do this, go to Settings and click on Phone Numbers. For each phone number, there's an option to enable call recording. Turn it on, and all your client calls will be automatically recorded. Now, once those calls are recorded, you can access them at any time in the Conversations tab. Just click on the conversation to listen to the recording and review the details. This is a great way to make sure every client interaction is documented. Finally, to get even more insights, head over to Reporting, Greater Than Call Reporting. Here you'll see metrics like call duration and missed calls, which can help you identify patterns and areas for improvement in your communication. And that's it. Ready to optimize your workflow and take control of lead management? Start your journey with GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial and make sure to book your kickoff call for a seamless onboarding experience. You'll find all the links in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tutorials like this one.